Agri Party List Representative Wilbert Lee is backing out of the senatorial race. In a press conference in Manila on Monday, Lee announces his move to withdraw as he admits not having enough resources to reach more people to put out his platforms.
Sa pag-iikot ko sa aking bansa, napagtanto ko na hindi pa talaga sapat ang makinarya na mayroon tayo ngayon para maabot ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan upang maipakilala at maipaalam ang ating mga ipinaglalabang advokasya. Naging malinaw po ito para sa akin na kailangan pa ng mas mahabang panahon para mapatibay ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino at maging sapat ang kahandaan at makinarya para sa matagumpay na kampanya.
Despite quitting the senatorial race, Lee vows to continue advancing his advocacies, especially for free healthcare and medicine. Lee also explains his decision has nothing to do with health concerns.
Walang connection sa kalusugan yung bitaw nyo.
Wala po.
Okay po.
Okay po ako. Siguro meron lang akong heartache po ngayon.
Lee was the first to file his certificate of candidacy for senator before the Commission on Elections in October last year. His withdrawal from the Senate race follows suit with former Ilocos Sur Governor Chavit Singson and internet personality Norman Mangusin, better known as Francis Leo Marcos. Singson withdrew on January 16 due to health issues, while Mangusin also did the move as he backed the re-election bid of Senator Amy Marcos.